Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Push Spin Walkaround. Now the Push Spin Walkaround requires you to already know how to do a two-handed push spin, so I'll put a link in the description below in case you've never done a two-handed push spin, but assuming you've got that in your repertoire, you're going to be ready for one of these. It goes 7 and 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard two-handed push spin. We go semicircle back, we get to two hands, we come in. Normally that left hand comes up and flat and the right hand is down near the lady's hip. The only difference compared to a normal one is that the guy steps forward into an offset position, which basically means the guy is not in front of the lady, he's slightly over to the left. What we're going to do now, and fingertips, you want to just hook up inside the lady's first finger, just a bit like you would with a Wurlitzer. We push with the left hand, the lady goes past. We stop the lady from going too far, like we would in a Wurlitzer. But instead of getting a Wurlitzer spin, we're offering the left hand, we're bringing the lady towards us, we're going to come back in and flat, back to that same offset position with both hands. And we repeat, send the lady out, guys keep walking and over to the left. Keep the hand up so the lady knows it's coming. We'll bring the lady forwards, in and flatten the hand, and this time as the lady goes past we also lead the spin. So push for the left, across the left with the right release, your spin gets to the other side, catch, return and back. So let's do it again from this side and we'll talk numbers. So we go semicircle back, two hands, 1, in and flat, offset, 2, send the lady out, walking past, 3, back into the flat hand, 4, send the lady past, 5, back into flat hand, 6, spin the lady, 7, catching 8, return 1 and back 2. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a push spin walk around. We go a back, flat, out, flat, out, flat, spin and catch, return and back. Obviously in freestyle you could do less walking around before you go into the spin, or you could do more walking around before you go into the spin. I would recommend making a choice on that based on music, and obviously this can take up a fair amount of space from quite compact going out into something quite big, so you need to be a little bit careful you're not going to be clouting other people on the dance floor. Hope you find that useful. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Big thank you to everyone who gives us a thumbs up, and even more so to the people who subscribe, because that helps promote the channel. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.